Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating Canon error code 1003 on your printer or scanner, wondering what's gone wrong. Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. This error is common in 2025 Canon devices and typically signals a communication issue between your printer and the computer, often related to connectivity problems or hardware glitches. Let's start by understanding what this code really means. First off, error code 1003 usually indicates a failure in the data transmission process. This could be due to a loose USB cable, outdated drivers, or even software conflicts. From my experience, the most common causes include a faulty connection, incompatible operating systems, or accumulated temporary files bogging down your system. For instance, if you've recently updated your computer's OS, that might be the culprit. Now, let's get to the good part, the solutions. Step 1. Start with the basics. Turn off your Canon device, unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple restart often clears minor glitches. If that doesn't work, check your connections. Ensure the USB cable is securely plugged in and try using a different cable or port to rule out hardware issues. Next, update your printer drivers. Head to the Canon website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them. This is crucial because outdated software is a frequent cause of this error. For more advanced fixes, run a system scan on your computer to check for malware or corrupted files. You can use built-in tools like Windows Troubleshooter or reset the printer settings through the control panel. If you're still stuck, consider resetting your Canon device to factory defaults, but back up any important settings first. There you have it, straightforward ways to tackle error code 1003. I hope this video saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.